Today on Mr. Music Man TV.
Pokey pokey.
It's time to do the hokey pokey, but we gotta do it really fast. So I'm gonna help you by calling out all the moves, and I need you to try and keep up. Are you ready? Let's start to clap our hands. Are you ready? Right foot.
You put your right foot in, you put your right foot out, you put your right foot in, and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about.
Left foot.
Put your left foot in, you put your left foot out, you put your left foot in, and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about.
Right hand.
Put your right hand in, you put your right hand out, you put your right hand in, and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about.
Left hand.
Put your left hand in, you put your left hand out, you put your left hand in, and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about.
Now break it down.
You do the hokey pokey, do the hokey pokey. Oh, you do the hokey pokey, do the hokey pokey. Oh, you do the hokey pokey, do the hokey pokey. Oh,
now stick in your nose.
You put your nose in, you put your nose out, you put your nose in, and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about.
Now break it down.
You do the hokey pokey, do the hokey pokey. Oh, you do the hokey pokey, do the hokey pokey. Oh, you do the hokey pokey, do the hokey pokey. Oh, you do the hokey pokey, do the.
Now stick your head in.
Head in, you put your head out, you put your head in, and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's
Freestyle,
all
show me your best moves. Great job.
Alright, boys and girls, if you have a string instrument like I do, go ahead and grab it. Alright, ready? We are going to pick our string and count to 10. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. All right. Now we are going to pick our 10 frets. All right. Remember, when we're playing frets, we have to make sure we're pushing down really hard between the lines to make sure we're playing the note. All right. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome job! You successfully picked your strings and frets and counted to 10. All right, give yourselves a big round of applause and a pat on the back. All right, goodbye, guys.
Mr. Music Man's Word of the Day. It's time for our Word of the Day. Can I get a drum roll, please? Our Word of the Day is
Rainstick.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Around the World with Shay. Today we have a new special instrument that we will be learning about. The origin of this instrument is unknown, however, it is believed to have come from the continent of South America. This instrument is believed to have been played in not only South America, but here in the United States of America as well, by Native Americans that lived in the southwest parts of the United States. played by indigenous people, Native Americans, and tribes all around the world. This instrument is the rainstick. Can you say rainstick? Very good. Many indigenous people that live in arid climates play this instrument to help summon rain. When you listen to it, it sounds just like rain. Instrument is usually made out of cactus. Cactus is a very common plant in deserts. To make this instrument, you take the cactus reed and hammer in the needles to the inside of the stick. All of the needles on the inside create a barrier for the rocks and or beans, dry beans, that are placed on the inside. When you move it and the rocks or beans fall, they hit all of the needles from the cactus and create the sound of rain. Rain is really important to people. Do you know why rain is so important to us? Yes, because rain helps plants and vegetables and fruits to grow. We love to eat vegetables and fruits because they help to make us really strong and big, right? The rainstick is considered to be a percussion instrument, just like the drums, the maracas, and the piano. When you play the rainstick, you can play it by slowly tilting it down, and you can tilt it back the other way. Or you can shake it. All right, it's time for us to make our own rain sticks. Are you ready to learn how you can make a rain stick at home? All right, let's go.
All right, let's get started with the supplies you'll need for your rain stick. First, we'll need construction paper. We will also need a paper towel tube, a sheet of aluminum foil, and some grains of rice, or you can use popcorn kernels or something similar to fill our rain stick with. We will also need scissors, tape, 2 rubber bands, and markers for decorating. The first thing you want to do is decorate your sheet of paper to cover your rain stick. You can decorate it with whatever you want. Then you're going to take your decorated sheet of paper and use tape to attach it to the paper towel tube. I used at least 3 pieces of tape to attach mine. Once your sheet of paper is attached, you may now begin rolling it around the paper towel tube. After you roll it around, Now you're going to want to take the other end. Now we need to make the ends of our Rainstick. Take your tube, place it on your construction paper, and draw a large circle around the tube. Fold the paper in half, and then take the scissors to cut out the circle. You can have mommy or daddy help you with this part. Now take the sheet of paper and secure it to the end of your Rainstick with a rubber band. This will hold it in place. We're going to do the same thing for the other side of our Rainstick. This circle will attach to the other end, but not yet. We need to create the filling. You're going to take your aluminum foil and roll it up in a long tube. Then you're going to take it and bend it in half and start to twist it into a spiral. Take your aluminum foil and stuff it to the inside of your Rainstick. Now take your grains of rice, or whatever you chose to fill your Rainstick with, and place it on the inside. Now secure the other end of your Rainstick with a rubber band. Now you're ready to go make music. Enjoy!
Mr. Music Man's Word of the Day!
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away.
Hey, Mom and Dad, be sure to help your children say and use our word of the day this week. And if you and your kids are enjoying our classes, smash our subscribe button and follow us on Facebook and Instagram to be the first to receive our latest class every week. And if your child wants more Mr. Music Man, you can go to MrMusicManCompany.com/TV, where you can find classes from all of our Mr. Music Man locations all together in one place.